Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore color contrast in Lighthouse Accessibility Report, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Chrome and loading the web page you want to analyze. Next, open the developer tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Switch to the Lighthouse tab in the Developer Tools panel. Make sure to configure the settings for your audit. Select the Accessibility checkbox to focus on accessibility metrics. Click on the Generate Report button to start the audit. Once the audit is complete, review the Lighthouse report. Look for the section titled Color Contrast within the Accessibility Report. Identify any areas highlighted as having insufficient color contrast. Take note of the specific elements that need improvement. To restore color contrast, open your website's CSS file. Locate the CSS rules associated with the elements identified in the Lighthouse report. Adjust the color properties of the text or background to enhance contrast. Use online contrast checkers to ensure your new color combinations meet WCAG guidelines. Save your changes in the CSS file and refresh the web page. Run the Lighthouse Accessibility audit again to check for improvements. Verify that the color contrast issues have been resolved. Continue to make adjustments as necessary until all issues are addressed. Document any changes made for future reference. Regularly review your site's accessibility to maintain compliance and enhance user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.